how to use a ferrocerium rod.
Okay.
So ferrocerium rod, you have to, most ferrocerium rods come with this black stuff on it.
Okay.
That's just so it doesn't rust. So when you get a ferrocerium rod, when you first get it, you want to take all that black stuff off. The more black stuff you take, the quicker it'll get. But as you can see, I was barely doing it, and it was lighting.
Okay.
Okay, so good way to do it is put your ferrocerium rod right on top of the tinder, and just keep striking down. Boom.
Oh, okay.
See, if you have real dry tinder, it will go up like that. Even just because this is stuck, this is dipped in alcohol. If you got real dry tinder, this thing goes up to, I think, like 2,000, 3,000 Fahrenheit, you know?